The shape of this road is more or less how it always has been. Up to the left is the road leading to the first cabin we rented. At that time it was really just a rough trail. This road leads up to the second place we rented. This is where the island blacksmith used to live. And as you see, farming is still going on. Look at this small local grocery. There are many of these roads around the island, but this part has been untouched for ages, I believe. Up and towards the east of the island, the typical rock structure on the island. A couple of very curious bystanders. An unmanned local outlet with farming products and homemade ice cream.